In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error 404 issue in Notion step by step using a simple method that works in 2026. If you've ever clicked a Notion link and seen a 404 error, or someone told you your shared page isn't opening, this video is exactly what you need. This usually happens because of an incorrect link format or permission settings, and the good news is it only takes a couple of minutes to fix. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion fixes and productivity guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the page that's showing the 404 error or the page you want to share correctly. Once you're on that page, look at the top right corner and click on the Share button. This is where Notion manages how your page is accessed by others. After clicking Share, you'll see several options related to sharing and permissions. From here, click on Copy Link. This copies the Notion page URL to your clipboard. Now, this next step is very important and is often the main reason the 404 error happens. Paste the copied link into a text field, your browser address bar, or anywhere you can edit it. When you look at the link closely, you'll notice that it contains a question mark followed by extra characters. These extra parameters can sometimes cause the page to break or show a 404 error for other users. Carefully remove everything in the link that comes after the question mark, including the question mark itself. You should be left with a clean Notion page URL. Once you've cleaned the link, copy it again and paste it directly into Chrome or any browser of your choice. Press Enter and make sure the page loads correctly. In many cases, this step alone fixes the error 404 problem. Now, if the page still doesn't open, or you want to make sure others can access it without issues, we'll double-check your Notion permissions. While viewing the page in your browser, click on the arrow or menu icon, usually found near the top area of the page. From the menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for and click on Connections. This section controls how your Notion account interacts with shared pages and external access. Next, click on Permissions. Here, make sure the page is shared correctly, either to specific people or to anyone with the link, depending on how you want others to access it. If needed, adjust the permissions so viewers have the proper access level. Once permissions are set correctly, copy the clean link again and test it in an incognito window or send it to another device to confirm the 404 error is gone. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the error 404 issue in Notion by cleaning the link and verifying the page permissions. This method works for personal pages, shared documents, and even public Notion pages. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.